is transversal R, which cuts the lines P and Q at two distinct points. In this video, we will try to understand the different types of angles formed by the transversal with two parallel lines. The transversal forms four angles with line P. Angles 1, 2, 3 and 4, and four angles with line Q. Angles 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's move on to the first type of angles. If lines P and Q are parallel, then angle 1 will always equal angle 5. This angle here will be equal to this one. They are called corresponding angles. It doesn't matter how the transversal is placed. These angles will always be equal. On a new page, let us try moving the transversal around. Assume line A and line B are parallel to each other. And here's a transversal C. You can see that these two angles look equal. Now let's rotate the transversal towards the right. These two angles again seem to be equal. Now let's rotate the transversal towards the left. The angles become obtuse and are still equal. This tells us that the corresponding angles are always equal. Now let's go back to the previous page. Now let me ask you an interesting question. Look at the figure closely. Is this the only pair of corresponding angles? No, it isn't. We have three more pairs of corresponding angles. When a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, four pairs of corresponding angles are formed. 2 and 6 form a corresponding angles pair, so angle 2 will always equal angle 6. You can even look at the figure and observe that they are equal. Similarly, angle 3 will equal angle 7 and angle 4 will equal angle 8. These are the four pairs of corresponding angles that are formed. 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. Angles 3, 4, 5 and 6 are interior angles because they are between the two parallel lines, and they are classified into two types. Let's understand the first type. Angle 3 and angle 5 form a pair of alternate interior angles. We know why they are called interior, but why exactly are they called alternate? If we have a round table with numbers 3, 4, 5 and 6 around it, then 5 is alternate to 3. That's because after 3, you skip one position and take the next. Similarly, 6 will be alternate to 4. In this diagram as well, to find alternate of 3, we skip one position and take the next, which is 5. And similarly, angle 4 and angle 6 are also called alternate interior angles. This was the first type of interior angles. The second type is a pair in which the angles are next to each other on the same side of the transversal, like angle 3 and angle 6. They are called consecutive interior angles. Look at the figure now. Do you see any other pair of consecutive interior angles? Yes, with the same logic, even angles 4 and 5 are consecutive interior angles. Remember, there are two types of interior angles, alternate and consecutive. For alternate, we skip one and move to the next. For consecutive, we take the one that's immediately next to it. And the last types of angles that are formed are vertically opposite angles. Angles 1 and 3 are called vertically opposite angles. In all, there are four pairs of vertically opposite angles. Apart from angles 1 and 3, we have angles 2 and 4, angles 5 and 7, and angles 6 and 8 as the other three pairs. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. These were the different types of angles that were formed when a transversal meets two parallel lines. On a new page, let's look at the beauty of these angles. Assume we have lines A and B which are parallel and transversal C which intersects them at two distinct points. As we already know, the transversal forms 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let us quickly analyze the relation between various angles formed. It's pretty simple actually. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 6 as their corresponding angles, and angle 8 equals angle 6 as it is vertically opposite to it. And angle 4 equals angle 8 because they are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 1 equals angle 5 as they are corresponding angles. Angle 7 equals angle 5 because they are vertically opposite. And angle 3 equals angle 7 because they are corresponding angles. So if lines A and B are parallel, we can see that angles 1, 3, 5 and 7 are equal and angles 2, 4, 6 and 8 are equal.
Guys, hopefully we have understood. So Chatty will tell me, are co-interior angles equal?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, alternate interior angles.
what about co-interior angles? What is the relationship between them?
Sir, they're not equal.
Huh?
Sir, they're not equal.
Zapman, can you tell me the relationship between co-interior angles?
Sir, I just joined, so I
Beta,
was
but
not
we did it in the
last.
last class also.
Sir, I don't remember co-interior, but I remember the
Hacker, can you tell me the relationship between co-interior angles?
So they are not equal.
Pro gamers, Mr. Ba?
Sir, they're equal.
No. Mr. Cow?
Hear your question.
What is the relationship between co-interior angles?
Co-interior. So I don't know.
Mr. Tani, Miss Tani Bani?
Sir, they are complementary.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बेटा होटल थोड़ी जा रहे हो जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री की बातें कर रहे हो आप दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री नॉट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री यू आर नो मोर इन वेकेशन तनाइशा नो मोर ऑन वेकेशन यू हैव कम बैक so co-interior angles are supplementary they are on the same side of the transversal and they are supplementary तो गाइस हम इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन बचा था हमारा ये तो कर लिया था हमने राइट गाइस
Sir, is every angle in a transversal supplementary?
एक मिनट रुको Each question we were doing हमने छोड़ दिया था जो because उधर हम लेट हो रहा था
Sir, I had solved it.
अच्छा it was this question because of you only I left the class now you
Sir,
are
I had already solved the question.
no don't worry send the answer again
No.
give you more practice Anivani are you missing your friend today it's very easy it's a bacha question गाइस जल्दी करो, हैकर चैटी प्रो गेमर्स जल्दी करो. 100% response for this question. Miss Hacker and Chatty. So pro gamers, if this angle is 100, how much is this angle then? Pro gamers and Miss Chatty are the heroes of this question, and Hacker and Candy. So Candy, how much will be ACD then?
60.
60 नहीं
So,
बेटा,
80.
ये दोनों 80, ये दोनों लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म करते हैं. Will be 80. Candy, I'm not asking you, ये क्वेश्चन आपका करेक्ट था. Chatty and pro gamers, क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई? Unmute करो Chatty बेटा. When a question is asked, you have to unmute. How much will be this angle now?
50.
समझ में आ गया कैंडी? जपमन अनम्यूट
Yes.
रखो आप भी. Why this is 50?
Because A is two sides are equal to each other.
No beta, two sides are not given equal. Why this is 50? Because unmute रखो, unmute. Because we have used angle sum property. 80 plus 50, 130. 130 subtracted from 180 is 50.
Okay, sir.
Now hacker, Chatty,
Sir,
Candy,
but
what?
why is it 80?
बेटा लीनियर पेयर, टू एंगल्स ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये 100 है तो ये 80 होगा.
Okay, got it.
You have to understand the terms also. It's linear pair. Now
Okay.
what will be DAE?
90.
DAE will be 90 because this is exterior angle of the triangle ABAD. Bad. You guys are bad. This is the exterior angle for this. तो hacker and Candy समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Guys, that was a disappointing performance. Why is that? That was a very disappointing performance. I gave 2 days for one question. So see, these are co-interior angles. These are co-interior. Co-interior 6 and 3 are co-interior angles. And they are not equal, but they are supplementary. Angle 3 plus angle 6 and angle 5 plus angle 4 or angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. They are co-interior or consecutive interior angles. आपको नाम भी ध्यान होना चाहिए. They are co-interior or consecutive interior angles. चलो गाइस, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करो. गाइस कभी कभी आपको इमेजिन करना पड़ता है कि हमारी जो पैरेलल लाइंस है वो, रुक जाओ रुक जाओ, इससे पहले मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस करा देता हूँ.
Sir, can there be more angles formed by transversal if we include more than like 90 degrees, more than 180 degrees?
Okay, I am not able to understand your question. See, अब ये पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, इसमें तो आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इजी है कि ये ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर हो गए. बट समटाइम्स द पैरेलल लाइंस गेट tilted like this. I am writing. So one by one, I will ask you, ma'am, please write the names. Tanaisha, tell me one pair of corresponding angles.
So corresponding angles are 5 and so 1 second. So 5 and 3.
5 and
No,
3 are
s-
not
so
corresponding.
sorry, sir. 5 and 1.
5 and 1 are corresponding. दोनों parallel line के ऊपर है और same side में है. तो hacker, tell me one pair of alternate interior angles.
So 4 and 6.
4 and 6 are alternate interior. ठीक है. Mr. Bar, tell me one pair of co-interior angles.
Sir, 3 and 6.
3 and 6 are co-interior. Then that means angle 3 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. चलो, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड. कई बार क्या होता है, जब फिगर टिल्टेड होती है, हमें आइडेंटिफाई करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है कि इज दिस रियली पैरेलल और नॉट. तो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल इन सच केसेस. चलो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड विद क्वेश्चन बेटर. Mr. Cow, you have studied all these?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please check my answers.
All right, guys, let's see. तो Mikey and Tani Vani. तो CE is parallel. Parallel का ये साइन होता है to BA. Find ACB. So first of all, how much will this angle be? Those who got it wrong, only those can speak. Mr. Cow has done parallel lines. How
I
much? How
so I
much
did,
will be this angle?
so I was trying to find that. I did not know.
So, Chatty, how and Avyan and pro gamers, how much will be this angle? Chatty, unmute.
Sir, I was trying to find that out. I couldn't find that.
तो गाइस देखो, ये पैरेलल लाइंस हैं. अब दिखा ये एंगल कितना होगा? Those who got it wrong, अब दिखा 60. What is the reason?
The first corresponding, then vertically.
No.
Alternate.
Alternate interior angles, that's it. Now these three angles are on the straight line. Let me call it angle X. Angle X plus 60 plus 65 are on a straight line. So their total will be 180. So angle X plus 125 will be 180. So angle X will be 180 minus 125. That will be 55 degrees. There is one more way of doing this question. We can find this angle. Those who got it wrong, only this though will speak. How much will be this angle? Tell me. Bolo guys, bolo. Those who got it wrong.
65.
65. What is the reason? What is the reason? Because they are corresponding angles on the same side. समझ आया guys? Then we can use the angle sum property to find this angle.
Oh, okay, sir.
Tanisha, I hope you are enjoying.
So can we also imagine ABC to be 65 because A, B and E, C are parallel?
Imagine नहीं बेटा, reason होता है. Imagination से नहीं होता maths. And figures are not drawn to scale. इसलिए imagination नहीं करना हमें. Prove का question तो कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. ये बहुत पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है. ये हर बुक में मिलेगा आपको और हर बुक में ऑलमोस्ट ऐसे ही सॉल्व होता है. तो ये बहुत ही पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है. इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन होती है गाइस. मैं करके दूं या थोड़े टाइम बात करें, या मैं करके दे दूं?
So don't. So we want to solve it. So
ठीक है, 1 मिनट बाद मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको बता दूंगा. ये कोई भी बोर्ड हो, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत पॉपुलर, बहुत कॉमन है. लाइक माइकी इज पॉपुलर, दिस क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो पॉपुलर. Mikey, who is more popular in your school, UI or Mr. Ba?
very easily, Mr. Ba.
Mr. Ba is more popular.
Much more.
Oh, I'm asking Mikey. आप बोल आप रहे हो? Yes, Mikey, can you tell me who is more popular?
Mr. Ba.
Mr. Ba?
Yes.
Hacker, what's your opinion?
Mr. Ba.
Mr. Ba. Mikey, now tell me, which school did you like more? SPM or convent?
I don't know.
You have to tell.
So I
We'll
don't
not tell Miss Gogi about it. Don't worry about that.
know. तो पता
क्या?
नहीं. पता नहीं.
पता नहीं.
तो दोनों ही अच्छा है.
जयदा
दोनों ही सेम है. अच्छा है.
सेम है.
दोनों ही अच्छा है.
आपको कंपेयर करने को मिले कि आप अभी भी आईज क्लोज करके कोई एक स्कूल चूज कर लो, which one will you choose?
तो no man, both are good.
So you will not go in any school. चलो guys, I am telling the construction now. This is the construction. दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच से हम एक लाइन और पैरेलल बना देते हैं, so that all three lines are parallel. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन है. Guys, you guys are talking too much today. Mr. Bot, have you done this chapter at school?
Sir, not this one, but I remember this question from an Olympiad. We use a bisector. A certain question comes with bisectors.
It's not bisector. We have just drawn a parallel line. We have not bisected it. It's not a bisector. It's a line parallel to both AB and CD. Because AB and CD were parallel. So if we draw a parallel line which, which is parallel to AB, it will automatically become parallel to CD also. Now guys, do the question. I have given you a big hint. मिस्टर अच्छा बॉट ने कर दिया ये मुझे लगा मिस्टर बा ने कर दिया है बट बेटा बाइसेक्टर आपका रॉन्ग था
Sorry, sir. I thought it was intersecting perfectly in the middle, so it would be called a bisector.
नो देखो let me give you an example.
Now I know
We'll be
bisectors are lines that divide something exactly in two. This doesn't exactly divide, so it could
yes.
be called a bisector.
So guys, are we not getting?
Sir, I've solved it. So I'm just typing it. So it's written.
Candyman, should I explain or give more time?
Can you please give us another minute?
Okay, I'm giving another minute.
Oh, sir, I just had a small mistake. So by mistake.
Can resend.
Sir, I've resent.
You are
So
doing
I
Miss
made a
Dia.
mistake. I made a mistake. I'm deleting my answer. Okay, a little late.
You can resend. It's okay. It's not MCQ. एक बार और भेज दो. You can. Oh, don't see the solutions. You can resend. Scooter, do you miss Dia?
Oh, no, sir.
Mikey, do you miss Dheeraj?
Little bit.
Chalo guys, let's see the solution. Enough. This is 108. So only those who got it wrong will answer. How much will be this angle?
70.
How much will be this angle? Yeah?
72 degrees.
72. What's the reason?
The co-interior angle.
Co-interior angles, they are supplementary. सबको ये बात clear हुई?
Yes.
So if you see on the bottom part, अब आप Mikey आप मत बोलना. This is 120. How much will be this angle? These three are 60. Again co-interior angles. So angle AOC will be 72 plus 60. That is equal to 132 degrees. तो कैंडी मैन चैटी मैन समझ में आया हैकर मिस्टर बा तनाइशा गर्ग
Yes,
have
sir.
we understood? चलो गाइस ये करो नेक्स्ट वन गाइस इट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट अगर आप ये फिगर अपनी नोटबुक में ड्रॉ कर लो तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा आपको. Instead of seeing from the screen, you can draw this in your notebook. Don't be lazy, Candy and Chetty. Just draw it. Mr. Ba. Then Aisha, today you have not sent even one answer to me.
Also, 1 second, can I switch off my camera? Solve the question.
What did he say, UI? What are you saying?
Sir, I was saying, can I switch off my camera? I have solved the question.
Okay. Okay. Hacker, Mikey and Candyman. Tanaisha Garg. Guys, जितने हुए उतने send कर दूं.
Sent all 4.
You have sent. अव्यान, हैकर, कैंडी, तानी बानी आपने सेंड कर दिए.
Sir, I'm just sending.
Ma'am, can you please check my answer?
Mr. Cow, that's not great. माइकी एंड कैंडी आपने सेंड कर दिए.
Sir, I only solved one.
So those who got the first question wrong, मुझे बस बताओ ये एंगल कितना होगा. Those who got the first question wrong, tell me how much will be this angle.
I got 50 degrees.
How? How in the world?
I don't know.
आप बता सकते हो ये एंगल कितना होगा? How much will be this angle?
65.
65. What's the reason, I will ask from Candy and Pro Gamers? What is the reason? Why is it 65?
Sir, the alternative.
They are alternate interior angles. The first part हो गया. Now for the second part, those who got it wrong, how much will be this angle?
Sir, 80 degrees.
What's the reason?
Sir, because they are linear.
Linear
Sir,
pair. Now, anyone else जिसने आंसर नहीं दिया, कैंडी ने नहीं दिया, काउ ने नहीं दिया, and हैकर ने नहीं दिया, how much will be this angle? Yeah,
25.
25 नहीं होगा,
35?
35. हैकर बेटा अनम्यूट करो. Because we can use the angle sum property. Hacker, why you are not answering?
I didn't know this one.
So the x will be 35. Then the last question goes to Hacker because she is not answered. And Candy, how much will be this angle?
So 70.
No. Hacker unmute रखो. How Candy? Zapman मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ ना. I'm talking to you, beta.
Yeah.
You have to be on unmute that time. Yes, Shania and Zapman. What's my answer?
65.
No, beta. Guesswork नहीं करना हमें.
Okay.
Yes, Zapman.
So 1 second.
80.
Not asking you.
So 80.
What's the reason?
So 65 plus 35. 180 minus 65 plus 35.
Yes. So one way is देखो. One way is कि ये 65, 35 और ये angles on a straight line है तो total 180 होगा. Second way is हम directly ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. ये मेरी parallel lines हैं. ये transversal है. तो अगर ये 80 है तो this also will be 80. What will be the reason, Hacker and Candy?
35 plus 65.
No बेटा, alternate interior. ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. वो तो बता दिया जपमन ने. This is transversal, these are alternate interior, so directly you can say it is 80. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
जपमन समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
चलो गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कर लो. I'll draw the figure. Two parallel lines N and L and M are cut by a transversal T. If the interior angles on the same side of T, ये T है L and M. Interior angles on the same side of T. Interior है तो अंदर होंगे. R2x minus 8 and 3x minus 7. Find the measure of each of these angles. I have made this question pretty easy for you.
Like what's measured? So the exact measure, like 65 degrees, 80 degrees.
Yes, the exact measure you have to find. Guys, if you will see the questions in IMO, from the lines and angles, they are very difficult. These were very easy questions. So should we practice some questions from IMO, from lines and angles, or should we start the next Python chapter?
So just
The next. I think we should practice from lines and angles from my end.
Sir.
Arav, is it okay if we start the Python chapter after 2 more classes? Or you want me to start the Python chapter?
It's okay with me, whatever, sir.
If you are able to understand well at school, I will start later. If you are not
Okay.
able to understand, then I'll start in the next class. What do you say?
Okay, so no, it's fine.
Please check my answer.
Because you need practice of even this concept.
So I do my solving in the chat and then I accidentally press send while trying to solve
Why
it
are you solving it in chat and why not?
because I don't have my book right now.
Better than you can write in your on the curtains or on the table or on the bed sheet.
Okay.
Shouldn't the positions of 2x minus 8 and 3x minus 7 be switched?
But it doesn't matter. The figures are not drawn to scale. So guys, the only thing concept here is that these are co-interior angles and they will be supplementary. So supplementary means when you add them, you will get 180. So 2x minus 8 plus 3x minus 7 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So that will give you 5x minus 15 is equal to 180. That will give you 5x equal to 15 will come here. It will become plus 15, 195. That will give you x is equal to 39. So if you get x equal to 39, then 2x minus 8 will mean
60.
2 into
Oh,
39
no, 70.
minus 8. That will be 70 degrees. So if this is 70, this will be 110 degrees. So Tani, Bani, Candy, UI, Chatty, Mr. Cow, have we understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, I subtracted.
Sir, I did 180 minus 3 minus 3x minus 7 equals to 2x minus
मैं
8.
आपको मिस्टेक बताता हूँ बेटा आपकी क्या मिस्टेक. तो 180 माइनस 3x माइनस 7 ऐसे ब्रैकेट में होना चाहिए इक्वल्स टू 2x माइनस. नाउ गाइस कब कोई चीज ब्रैकेट में होती है बिकॉज आई एम सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दिस इन फुल, तो क्या होगा ये 180 माइनस 3x प्लस 7 हो जाएगा. माइनस 7 विल चेंज इनटू प्लस 7. अंडरस्टूड कैंडी मैन? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखो ये पैरेलल का साइन है, L इज पैरेलल टू M. line L is parallel to M, means this line L, this line M, they are parallel. Candy, beta, don't pull your hair, beta. Please. No, chatty, sorry. Don't pull your hair. UI and Mikey, will you guys be fasting tomorrow?
No, no, sir.
Mikey, are you fasting?
No, sir.
Udram, your mom told you will be fasting with her.
So what's there tomorrow for fasting?
Tomorrow is Karwa Chauth, na?
Mm, so what's Karwa Chauth?
Don't lie, just do the question.
Sir, how is asking a question lying? So our figure is not drawn to scale because
Yes, they are not. Pro gamers, what kind of performance is this? Hello guys, everyone has done. Candyman and Hacker. So Tanaisha, you are the hero for today. Please unmute yourself, Tanaisha Garg. So if this is 65, how much will be this?
So 65.
What's the reason?
So because they're alternative angles.
No, wrong. Candyman, what's the reason? If this is 65, this also will be 65. What's the reason?
Sir, they're corresponding.
Correct, they are corresponding. Same side में है, दोनों ऊपर हैं. Then how can we find y 180 minus 65? That will be equal to what? 115 degrees. So next, if Candy, next question कैसे solve करेंगे? Candy and Tani Vani.
180 minus 50. 130.
This would be 130. What's the reason?
So because they are linear pair of
Linear
angles.
pair. They are linear pair on, and how much will be this angle?
So 50.
130.
130. Because what's the reason?
Corresponding.
Corresponding. एक और तरीका था, ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. This is 50, this also will be 50 degrees. What's the reason?
They are
Alternative.
No, two lines are intersected
Vertically
like this,
opposite
they are
angles.
vertically opposite angles. दोनों opposite हैं, vertically opposite angles. Then this will be how much then? This will be how much? जल्दी बताओ.
130.
130. What's the reason?
Oh, 50 plus 50 minus 360
No.
divided by 2.
Co-interior, consecutive interiors. दोनों देखो एक side में है of the transversal. Interior में है. So co-interior angles are supplementary. So we have to understand the reason also. Reason is very, very important, equally important. Do the fifth one. Guys, पता है जो चौरे जो नेक्स्ट क्लास आएगी आपकी वो ये सब टॉपिक्स पता नहीं कितना पढ़ेगी बिकॉज दे आर चेंजिंग द सिलेबस लाइक एनीथिंग डू यू नो मिस्टर वॉट
Yes,
सिक्स का
sorry to
पूरा
be
सिलेबस चेंज है पता है आपको
कम कर रहे हैं.
काम कर रहे हैं अजीब सा कर रहे हैं कुछ सिक्स में टोटल उन्होंने 2 न्यू कंसेप्ट्स कर दिए पूरा HCF हटा दिया लीनियर इक्वेशंस रिमूव कर दिया and 2 new concepts which are not used anywhere they have used. Guys, this is a bacha question.
Sir, I've solved.
Please send.
Sir,
Otherwise, UI gets angry if we do overtime.
so maybe it's wrong.
Because Tani Bani has not got any question correct, so we will have to do overtime so that she learns properly. Mikey, you should get them correct.
They're saying
तो कैंडी मैन तानी बानी प्रो गेमर्स काउ ये तो आपने किया हुआ है कंसेप्ट बेटा
So I didn't do this exact form of question. I only learned about transversal waves. I've never had to do this form of question.
so, but we are doing it right now and others are also doing it.
So I'm slow at solving some questions.
Beta, you are struggling in this. I've never seen you struggling in any topic in
So
my
I'm
class.
terrible at geometry. I'm extremely bad at geometry.
So let's get better at it. Let's get best at it. तानी बानी कैंडी मैन अनम्यूट कर लो भाई and chatty. So how much will be this angle?
70.
Yes.
70.
Mr. Cow,
I got 115.
Tani Bani,
So 70.
wrong guys. ये देखो ये पैरेलल लाइंस हैं. दिखा? ये Z ही
Yes.
बना लो. आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो Z बना लिया करो. दिखा? How much will be this angle?
65.
65.
65.
If I just you need to notice. And how much will be angle Y?
70.
45.
45.
45. ये कौन है? कौन था महान हस्ती? देखो Z बना लो आप. 45. क्या गाइस? चलो नेक्स्ट करो 6. So Mr. Bot, you can leave. That's all for today.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Mr. Cow, keep your mic on.
Oh, sorry.
Please take my answer.
Just you also can go and play badminton. Mr. Ba, you too.
Bye, sir.
देखो गाइस, मैं आपको बस यही बोलूंगा, हिंट दूंगा. कभी भी आपकी पैरेलल लाइंस हो, जैसे C इज पैरेलल टू AB, तो AB और CE को हाईलाइट कर लो इन योर नोटबुक और इन योर माइंड. उसके बाद ट्राई करो क्वेश्चन करने का.
So can I also go?
Yes, Mikey and Hacker.
Bye, sir.
Pro gamers, congratulations. You have earned yourself an overtime. Mr. Cow, congratulations. गाइस तनाइशा, चैटी, प्रो गेमर्स, काउ, सब अनम्यूट में रहो गाइस.
Sir, can I send my answer?
Yes, you can send your answer. I am waiting for that. Tanaisha Garg, answer sent.
Sir, 1 second.
Candyman, you want to stay or you want to leave?
I don't know because this is the first question of this topic I got correct.
So you can stay. Yes, Tanaisha, answer.
Can I speak it?
नहीं बेटा, send कर दो.
Okay, sir.
Because I have to talk to cow and pro gamers.
Yes, sir.
And guy, जपमन मैंने किया क्या, बस मैंने parallel lines को bold कर दिया. So that thing you must do in your mind or in your notebook. That's it. So Mr. Guy, what will be this angle?
When I did it, I got 65.
No, now you tell me.
I think I need to solve it again, so.
I sent to ma'am.
Beta, there is nothing to solve. This is geometry. Can you focus on these two parallel lines?
So is it 80?
Yes, and then focus on this transversal, which is connecting the angle. So this would be 80. First question solve. Second question ACB. तो मिस्टर प्रो गेमर्स कैसे करेंगे हम ACB को solve?
Sir, 80 plus 35, 105.
180 plus 35 is 115. Then
Oh, yeah, 115. That's the answer.
no beta, 180 minus 115. 180 तो टोटल होगा ना इस लाइन पे एंगल. ये
Yes.
टोटल 180 है तो 115 हो गया. तो 180 minus 115, that will be 65.
Yeah.
Then how will we find Chatty and Mr. Cow, and how will we find this angle?
80
So
plus
we'll add 80 and 65 and subtract from 180.
Add 80 and 65, I will get 145. 180 minus 145, I will get 35.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, over here, since the total sum is 180 and angle A is 80, so it will be 100. So sum of B and C will be 100. So angle
Which one? Which
is,
one?
sir, the sum of angle B and C would be 100.
Why?
Sir, because angle A is 80.
Yes, B and C will be 100.
So sir, angle ACD should be equal to 100.
ACD. बेटा ACD exterior angle बनेगा ऐसे. This is an exterior angle. This will be equal to the sum of angle 1 and angle 2. तो ये 35 है, ये 80 है, तो इनका टोटल 115 है. देख लो यहाँ पे 115 है. देखा देखा चैटी?
Yes.
And there was one more way to solve the last part of the question. If you notice that these two are parallel lines that I have already told, then we have a transversal this also. देखो ये एंगल को कनेक्ट कर रही है. So these two are 35 because they are दोनों टॉप में है, दोनों लेफ्ट टॉप साइड है. They are corresponding angles. समझ आया गाइस? तो कैसे भी करो आंसर सेम आएगा, यही मैजिक है मैथ्स का. So all right kids, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye kids.